Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up local delivery for your Shopify store. This is an essential feature, especially if you're looking to expand your reach and offer a convenient option for your nearby customers. So let's dive in and get started on making your Shopify store even more efficient. Before we jump into the settings, remember, local delivery works best when you sell products that customers prefer receiving quickly, such as food, flowers, essentials, clothing, bakery items, or custom-made goods. If your business fits into this category, enabling local delivery can give you a strong competitive advantage. First, you want to navigate to the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin page. Here, you'll see the settings option. Click on this to enter the main settings area. Once you're in the settings, look over to the left panel where you'll find Shipping and Delivery. Go ahead and click on this section. This is where you can manage all aspects of how your products will be shipped and delivered to your customers. At this point, it's a good idea to know your delivery capacity. Think about how many orders you can realistically deliver each day, how far your team can travel, and whether you want to set minimum order amounts for local delivery. These decisions will help you avoid logistical challenges as your store grows. Now, as you scroll through the shipping and delivery options, you'll encounter the local delivery section. To begin the setup, simply click on the Setup button here. This is your entry point into configuring how local deliveries will function for your shop. Once you've clicked Setup, the next step is to enable the location status for your store's delivery location. This essentially tells Shopify that you're ready to offer local delivery from this specific place. It's crucial to ensure that this is the correct location, as it will determine the area to which you can deliver. After enabling the location, the next part involves setting up the delivery zones. Delivery zones are the geographical areas that you will service with your local delivery option. It's important to define these zones clearly because they determine where customers can receive orders directly from your store. As you build your delivery zones, think about customer expectations in your area. For example, would a flat delivery fee work better? Or should you offer free delivery above a certain order value? Do you want to limit delivery times to specific hours? Should you offer same-day or next-day delivery? Answering these questions will help you design a strong, reliable delivery system. Consider the range you wish to deliver to, whether it's within a certain radius or specific zip codes, and input this information carefully. If you feel like you need additional features or more customization for managing local deliveries, there's good news. Shopify's App Store offers various third-party apps designed to enhance local delivery management. These apps can offer sophisticated options, such as route optimization, real-time delivery tracking, and more. It's worth exploring these options if you want a more robust delivery system. Some popular features you might want to look for in apps include driver assignment and scheduling, automated delivery notifications, live tracking links for customers, pre-planned delivery routes to save time and fuel. These improvements can greatly enhance your overall delivery workflow. After you've set your location status and delivery zones, the last thing you need to do is click the Save button. This ensures that all the changes and configurations you've made are securely recorded in your Shopify store settings. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now set up for local delivery, opening up new opportunities to reach your nearby customers with ease. This setup not only provides convenience for your customers, but also helps give your business an edge in local markets. Before we wrap up, remember that offering local delivery can also be a great marketing tool. Promote it on your website banner, social media, and even through email campaigns. Let your audience know they can now get products faster and at a lower cost than traditional shipping. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and drop a comment if you want a step-by-step guide on advanced delivery apps or automation tools.